बेईमानी करे मुझसे ही रूठे, मुझसे बेईमानी करे मुझसे ही रूठे। मन मोहना मन मोहना मन मोहना, झूठे मन मोहना।
Well, story or no story, I mean, these songs are great. I mean, I've been editing them over the last week or so, and I must have heard it like 50 times just in the last 1 week, and I'm more than happy to listen to it again. I mean, that's the beauty of those songs. All right, so then we move to the big year, 1955, when a film came that blew everyone away. In many ways, the story lives on, the music, of course, lives on, and the words, of course, were an integral part of the songs. 1955, Shri 420, which had not one, not two, but like, several great songs. And again, just coming to the point that how the songs were integrated in the film is what made all the difference. Any memories you have, or you know anything, any inside dope on Shri 420 and the songs?
No, but the song that I know everyone talks about, Ramaiya Vastavaya and Pyar Hua, Ikrar Hua, etc. But for me, the song that I love, and I think I see my father's playful style in it, is Dil Ka Haal Sune Dilwala. बूढ़े दरोगा ने चश्मे से देखा, आगे से देखा, पीछे से देखा, ऊपर से देखा, नीचे से देखा, बोले ये क्या कर बैठे घोटाला, हाय ये क्या कर बैठे घोटाला, ये तो है थानेदार का साला. आज भी यही होता है ना.
But first, let's take a look at this love.
That was another song that kept me going. We were all like kind of orphaned with Baba's going, the 5 children. Even Mummy was all, I mean, we for 6 of us were totally at a loss. And this song kind of inspired me again. मुड़ मुड़ के ना देख मुड़ मुड़ के, जिंदगानी के सफर में तू अकेला ही नहीं है, हम भी तेरे हम सफर हैं. And I'm sure it kind of gives solace to others as well. Right?
Yeah, it's a very different way of looking at it. I mean, until you mentioned it, we never thought of it from that point of view, that Mud Mud Ke Na Dekh is not to look back and
to look ahead. I mean, look ahead in life. There are bound to be more opportunities, more everything ahead. So you don't have to look back all the time.
And there were many great songs, as we said, in Shri 420, and this probably one of the mother of all romantic songs.
This song, before the start of this song, there is a scene where Nadira goes in and she wants her ace card player out. Johnny, I think the name is Johnny. Yeah, she wants him out. Come on. That's where Raj Kapoor steps in for playing the cards. And Johnny is dead drunk and not able to come out. And that Johnny is Jai Kishan uncle. So if you see the film, you'll see Jai Kishan uncle all sozzled and refusing to come out.
All right, let's listen to this one.
The controversy in this song.
Yeah.
रातें दसों दिशाओं से कहेंगी अपनी कहानियाँ. It was not understood. Those lines, दसों दिशाओं से, was not understood by Shankar ji, Raj Kapoor, and they said change this.
They probably meant चार दिशा.
चार दिशा होती हैं. 10 दिशा कहाँ से? And Baba explained all the 10 directions, So, including Akash Patal, So 10 dishaएं हो गई. But he was quite determined as a writer. When he wrote, I think 99.9%. I don't even know. I should actually say 100%. He wrote absolute correct. His thoughts could not be faulted. His words could not be faulted. And when people didn't understand it, he would walk out. he would walk out and say that, take this song as it is or leave it. You're not getting another. And that changed many things. Even when we come to Sangam, the song Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega, wo Gana Gaega, there Lata Mangeshkar's voice, she sings, Ab keh dungi karte karte kitne sawan beet gaye. Promptly someone corrected him and said, it cannot be karte karte, it is kehte kehte. So Baba explained to them, maybe you don't understand this, but...
You want to give the reference when we play that song?
Okay, when we go to
so
it. Okay.
We've raised the question, we'll give you the answer as to why it is called like that when we come to that song.
At the moment, we'll just leave the teaser here.
Yes. And, well, probably, I don't think there's anybody who's not recognized this song. It's from a film called Deadpool, and it was also in a film called Gravity. So this was written back in 1955, almost 65 years ago, and it still holds strong. And as I mentioned, Deadpool, Gravity, but of course, this was originally in Sri 420.
Yeah, I mean, this is so, it's so current as well. Like we have things from all over the world, but at heart, we remain true Indians, I hope.
Right. Next, another great song from Sri 420, and I think this is a classic example of how a song is integrated in the story. This is a song called Ramayya Vastavaya, and there's so much happens in the song itself. Probably for those, I'm sure a lot of people or almost everyone must have seen Sri 420. So it's a story of Raju who has come from a village to the city, and he's an honest guy, and then he falls into bad habits and then has a change of heart. So the whole story is pretty much narrated in this particular song. And what we are going to show you is the part which Nargis sings. And I must say there are two beautiful close-ups in the history of cinema. One is in Hitchcock's Rear Window, where Grace Kelly's close-up is there when she wakes up Jimmy Stewart. And the other is you're going to see in this particular song, a close-up of Nargis. And the tear that falls from her eye is the most beautiful tear you have seen in the history of cinema, I would say. It looks so beautiful. But just her story, and there's a lovely line in it which says, "Wahi se dur se hi tu bhi ye keh de kabhi, maine dil tujhko diya." And the whole story, the song itself it tells the story of everything. I mean, the whole film, of all the characters in their own right. And interestingly, it's the local people who are singing the songs, but it's meant for the actor and the actress. Sorry, I spoke more than you about this song because when I was in 9th standard, I saw Sri 420 and I was completely blown over. I saw it 3 times in a week, and eventually I became a film critic thanks to Sri 420.
So you don't remember Baba in this film then?
I have to watch it one more time then. But Ramayya Vastavaya?
Ramayya Vastavaya is generally like, today's understanding of this song is people don't really go into the depth. It's like considered to be a party song. Everyone sings it and is dancing, as enjoying it. But it's such a sad song to me. It's really, wahi se dur se hi tu bhi ye keh de kahin, maine dil tujhko diya. That, there was this other line from it.
Is देश में तेरे परदेश में सोने चांदी के बदले में बिकते हैं दिल.
इस गांव में दर्द की छांव में प्यार के नाम पर ही धड़कते हैं दिल.
रास्ता वही और मुसाफिर वही, एक तारा ना जाने कहाँ.
Oh, those lines. रास्ता वही और मुसाफिर वही, एक तारा ना जाने कहाँ. दुनिया वही, दुनिया वाले वही, कोई क्या जाने किसका जहां लुट गया. और हमारा जहां तो लुट गया था 14 December 1966 को.
But still the music lives on.
Isn't there a contradiction in the thing? Like, I mean, such a sad song and there is such gaiety around it.
Right. And the words itself, I believe in Telugu it means Ram come back. Ramayya Vastavaya means Ram, please come back. So very interesting. There's another song which Shailendra ji wrote which has many, many languages integrated in it. But before that, it was very interesting that probably only Raj Kapoor made Lalita Pawar do play the good woman. Otherwise she was always the wicked woman in all of her films. But here she's the good woman. In Anadi she plays Mrs. Disa, who's the landlord where Raj Kapoor is living.
Disa,
yeah. Ramayya Vastavaya, we were talking about the song which he included many, many languages.
That is from New Delhi.
Which came later.
Which came much later. This that Are Bhai Nikal ke aa ghar se, दुनिया की रौनक देख फिर से, देख ले फिर से. There we have a verse in Bangla, in Gujarati, in Marathi, and it's amazing. Like, I mean, he was a true linguist. When you listen to some of his songs, you'll wonder where are these words coming from. And I have, like, over the years, started repeatedly heard them over and over again. There's one beautiful song from Jagte Raho. होलो शे वाइवा नो मैंने जो ली अंगड़ाई धीरे से मुस्काई तेरी महफिल से सदा ये आई होलो शे वाई वाई होलो शे वाई वाई. Now I have heard this होलो शे वाई वाई. We used to sing like as children, होलो शे वाई वाई, होलो शे वाई वाई, but never put any thought to what those words could be. But Shutapa, I think you will also agree with me. Is it holo shei YY? In Bangla, holo shei. The same thing happened. Same, they repeated YY. मैंने जो ली अंगड़ाई धीरे से मुस्काई तेरी महफिल से सदा ये आई. I think Salil Chaudhary must have had some input on that.
Right, from the problems of daily life back to romance once again. From Shri Charsobis, next year there was another great film called Chori Chori. The same team again, with the exception of Mukesh was missing pretty much. Apparently he was pursuing his acting career, which didn't go very far. So eventually then he came back to singing. That was the time. So a couple of songs from Chori Chori. Let's listen to them first. Silent, which is a good sign actually. It shows that you all are enjoying. First I saw the smiles on your faces and I thought, okay, like everybody's really enjoying it, because the moment Ye Raat Bhigi Bhigi started, and it goes to show that you all have not heard a romantic song in a long, long, long time. Or probably there's not been a romantic song as romantic as this in a long, long, long time. Probably that's the reason. From Chori Chori, next year a rather serious film that came out, which again had great songs, and one song which kind of sums up the philosophy of life. The film was Jagte Raho, which had two lovely songs. One, of course, was, let's listen to them first. Okay, so this, we're going to do the songs in reverse order. The first song that you're going to listen to comes at the very end of the film, in which Nargis makes a special appearance only for that particular song. And then the most philosophical song of all times. If ever I get drunk, I want to get drunk like Motilal, you know, and sing that song.
This song is beautiful. Even that other verse which we haven't played, एक कतरा मैं का जब पत्थर के होंठों पर पड़ा, उसके सीने में भी दिल धड़का, ये उसने भी कहा, जिंदगी ख्वाब. But as I said earlier, I charted my life. I mean, I try to base my actions of deriving strength from Baba's songs. And sometimes when I was naughty and I did something wrong, I would often think of these lines. दिल ने हमसे जो कहा, हमने वैसा ही किया. फिर कभी फुर्सत से सोचेंगे. I said, Baba also said it, na? It's okay.
But interestingly, I am sure you all must have heard the other version. It was originally recorded in Manna Dey's voice. But I guess majority here will agree that the Mukesh version is much better.
I don't know. I don't know about that, but I like the words.
The words, of course, of course, of course. Then came, we move on to, this was 1958 now, in fact 56 rather, a film called Basant Bahar, which had great songs, great words also, of course. Let's listen to a medley of songs from Basant Bahar. Okay. Would you like to talk about it before, after?
We can talk about Basant Bahar, and there are a lot of, I would say, bhajans or prayers or cries to the Lord in the songs that we hear from Basant Bahar, like Bhay Bhanjana, Vandana Sun Hamari, Ya Surna Saje Kya Gaon Mein, etc., etc. Baba was considered, not considered, Baba himself would say. I remember him telling this story to somebody. As a child, I have heard him talk about it, saying that when his mother was sick and they were in Mathura, he believed in God. He went to all the temples bare feet in the scorching sun, praying to the Lord to protect and save his mother. And it did not happen. Dadiji passed away, and Baba stopped entering temples from that day onwards. He stopped believing in God. But I don't think he could have totally cut himself away from the Almighty, because you cannot write words like the songs that we hear in Basant Bahar, or even Seema, etc., where Tu Pyar Ka Sagar Hai, Teri Ek Boond Ke Pyase Hum. I don't think he could have written those kind of words if that connect was missing.
Right, yes. So we're going to play 3 back-to-back songs, just small clips, which will end with a song written by Shailendra Ji and sung by Bhimsen Joshi and Manna Dey.
सुर ना सजे क्या गाऊं मैं, सुर ना सजे क्या गाऊं मैं, सुर के बिना जीवन सूना, सुर के बिना जीवन सूना, सुर ना सजे क्या गाऊं मैं। बन जाओगे आप ही छलिया कहलाओगे, मेरी बात बने न बने, हो जाओगे तुम बदनाम, हो जाओगे तुम बदनाम। हे राम, बड़ी देर भई, बड़ी देर भई, कब लोगे खबर मोरे राम। केतकी गुलाब जूही चंपक बन फूले, केतकी गुलाब जूही चंपक बन फूले, ऋतु बसंत अपन कंत गोरी गरवाल घाए, झूलना में बैठे आज पी के संग झूले, केतकी गुलाब जूही चंपक बन फूले, गैल गैल तू